Hello and welcome to this video on fundamental analysis of stocks. In this video, we will be discussing the basics of fundamental analysis, its importance, and how to perform it on stocks. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to Samco Securities and hit the bell icon, so that you never miss an update from us. What is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis is a method of evaluating the natural value of a stock by analyzing various financial and economic factors that may affect its performance. These factors include the company's financial statements, industry trends, macroeconomic indicators, and more. Why is fundamental analysis important? Fundamental analysis is essential for investors because it provides a comprehensive picture of the company's financial health and its potential for growth. By understanding the underlying factors that drive a company's performance, investors can make informed decisions about buying or selling stocks. How to perform fundamental analysis on stocks? Step 1. Analyze the company's financial statements. The first step in performing fundamental analysis is to review the company's financial statements. These statements include the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. By analyzing these statements, you can gain insight into the company's revenue, expenses, assets, and cash flow. Step 2. Examine industry trends. The next step is to examine industry trends. This includes analyzing the company's competitors, the industry's growth potential, and any regulatory or environmental factors that may affect the industry. Step 3. Analyze macroeconomic indicators. The third step is to analyze macroeconomic indicators that may affect the company's performance. This includes analyzing GDP growth, inflation rates, interest rates, and other economic indicators that may affect the industry and the company. Step 4. Assess the company's management. The final step is to assess the company's management. This includes analyzing the company's leadership, corporate governance practices, and the company's strategy for growth and expansion. Fundamental analysis is an essential tool for investors who want to make informed decisions about buying or selling stocks. By analyzing a company's financial statements, industry trends, macroeconomic indicators, and management, Samco empowers investors to make informed decisions about buying or selling stocks. We hope you found this video on fundamental analysis of stocks informative. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments section below. And if you want to stay updated with the latest investment insights, don't forget to follow Samco. Also, don't forget to open a Demat account with Samco today and initiate your trading journey. Thank you for watching.
From Samco, the new-gen mobile trading platform. Ace the Index.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.